Hello, I'm Roselle with Farmer Brown Insurance Agency. We've put together this informative video for you. I hope you enjoy. Welcome to our tutorial on workers' compensation. By definition, workers' compensation is the type of insurance that offers income replacements, medical benefits, and rehabilitation assistance to employees that suffer an injury as a result of their work activities or while performing their duties. As a business owner, getting workers' comp might feel like another expense, but this insurance can actually be a good investment to protect your business against lawsuits if one of your employees gets injured and decides to sue you. Besides, it's important to understand that insurance is mandatory by law, and buying it might save you from big fines and even jail time. All states except Texas requires businesses to have workers' compensation regardless to the number of employees you have. And of course, it's always a good idea to see what your state specifications and requirements are to avoid inconvenience. How is the workers' compensation premium calculated? The cost of a workers' comp policy is normally rated according to number 1, classification codes, number 2, the experience modification, and number 3, your annual payroll. Number 1, the classification code or class code. This refers to a specific code used to describe the job an employee will perform within your business. These codes are generally the same around the industry, but the rates will change according to the states you're in. And the rate will be based on every $100 of payroll. For example, if you're in Minnesota and you get a workers' comp for a roofing job, you could pay $56 for every $100 of payroll. But this rate could be less if you get workers' comp for an employee that only does clerical work. So, the class code system helps the industry determine the level of risk each job has. And of course, the higher the risk, the more you get to pay to be insured. Number 2, the experience modification rate, also known as experience mod. This refers to your claim history, and the average number is 1. The actual premium is determined by multiplying this figure by the base premium. So, if you have a claim, this number will be greater than 1, and your premium will be higher. Conversely, if you have a good record, the number will be less than 1, so you will pay a lower rate. Number 3, payroll. This is the main ingredient for the premium calculation on a workers' comp policy because, as you know, there is a specific rate for each $100 of your payroll. Once you get the amount of your premium, you can choose to spread out the payments to monthly in the course of a year instead of making a lump sum payment. Ask your agent to get a payroll provider so you can have the option to deduct your workers' comp premium each pay period. How to lower the premium. The key word to lower your workers' compensation premium is safety. Establishing a good safety policy in your business will lower the chances of injury, especially if part of your normal operations involve certain risks. Providing good training and getting all safety measures in place will help your business maintain a good experience mod, and this will help your premium go down. One more tip. When working with your agent on getting a workers' comp policy, make sure you get the correct class codes for your employees, because when you get audited, these kind of mistakes can cost you a lot of money. The insurance company will come back to you and ask for the remaining amount in case you paid less, or you'll end up pulling your hair when you find out you were actually overpaying. So now you know, if you want to pay a good rate for your workers' compensation policy, make sure you get the correct class codes for your employees and stay away from claims by being safe at work. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I'm Roselle, and I would be happy to assist you with getting a quote today. Give me a call or visit our website. We can shop around for you to make sure you're getting the best price for your policy. Have a great day.